Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. Today we're going to be doing a quick everyday look for those of you who need to rush out of the door in the mornings. So getting right into it, first I'm going to be applying the Too Faced Hangover Primer all over my face to make sure that my makeup lasts as long as it's possible. Next we're going to go in with the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I'm not using a foundation, I'm going to be using a CC cream as it's light, and this one gives a pretty decent coverage as well. Just to spot conceal, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer and conceal in just areas where I need that extra coverage. I'm now going in with the NARS Creamy Concealer and applying that under my eye. This isn't a very high coverage concealer. It's a medium concealer, so it works really well with the CC cream. I ran out of that concealer, so I added the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer, which is also not a heavy concealer, so it works really well with a light base. Just blending it all in and adding a bit more under my eyes so it all looks nice and smooth. I'm now going to set in the face with the Huda Beauty baking powder, the Easy Bake, and I usually love to set my face because we're living in a really hot country, and I feel it just gives that extra locked in feel. Now I'm going to go in with the Hourglass bronzer and just bronze up my face, just giving myself that color again. And now I'm just going to go and do my brows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pencil. I usually just follow my natural brow shape and just fill in the sparse gaps. Now I'm going to set my brows in with the Bobbi Brown brow mascara. It's a tinted shade that I use. And now going in with the bronzer again, just going to be using it on a blending brush and adding it to the crease of my eyes. Now I'm using the Dior blush in Rosebud and adding that to my cheeks. And using the Laura Mercier highlighter in number 1, which is a nice and natural highlight and makes you look more fresh. And I'm now going to go in with the Makeup Forever eyeliner and just line my waterline. And using the Kat Von D liquid liner to line my upper lash line. Now using the Marc Jacobs mascara. This mascara has been amazing. So I'm just adding that to my lashes to open up my eyes a bit. And you can add as many coats as you wish to. Now I'm just using a Estee Lauder lipstick. I don't really know the shade, but it's just a nice nudie color, and this is the final look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please do like, subscribe, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. That's all for now, guys. Bye. Till next time.